And one of the number one things that you should definitely be using is collagen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Conecia. If you're new here, welcome. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. If you're not subscribed yet, why? Go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can join the family and be a part of what we got going on here. It's a party, it's a party, it's a party, hey. No, but seriously, if you want to see what more content I'm going to be pushing out, or if you find my videos beneficial to you, definitely go ahead and click subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So in today's video, guys, I wanted to go ahead and share with you something that can definitely help with your hair growth. If you are on a hair growth journey, I've mentioned this time and time again, but it starts also from inside. It's not just the topical products that you put on top of your hair, on your hair shaft, on your scalp. It's definitely what you're putting inside of your body as well. And one of the number one things that you should definitely be using is collagen. This is the NeoCell Super Collagen. Now, collagen is amazing, okay? It is so amazing, and you should definitely start taking it, especially if you're someone that's experiencing aches and pains as well in your body, or you work out a lot and you have a lot of pain. This helps so much for that as well. But it also helps with hair growth. Hair growth, yes, rapid hair growth at that. So collagen and hair growth are linked closely together, mainly because our body or our hair is made up of mostly protein, and collagen found in our body is made up of a lot of collagen as well. The problem though comes when we start to age and we start to lose a lot of the percentage of the collagen we have. That's when you start to realize you're experiencing aches and pains, you're getting wrinkles, your skin is getting thinner, your nails are getting thinner, your hair is getting thinner, your hair is falling out, you're experiencing hair loss. That's because the collagen substance that our body was built on is being depleted at a rapid rate. Also, things like stress, bad eating habits, you're not sleeping properly, and aging, all of those things combined as a unit definitely causes our body to be depleted of its collagen. So the best way to go ahead and replenish that is by taking a supplement. This supplement right here starts to build our body back up of all that collagen that we're losing. So as we're aging, if our body is losing or depleting of its collagen, taking a daily supplement helps to replenish that and rebuild. Now also, there are ongoing studies that are being shown that collagen supplements are helping when it comes to hair loss and helping to stop hair loss, helping to recoup any hairs that are dying, any hairs that have already died, any hair follicles that are broken. Taking collagen consistently on a day-to-day basis is being proven to help with all of those. Again, this bad boy right here, it's an OG, okay? I mean it, guys. Like this, you really, really need to look into taking collagen. Like, it's amazing. All of its benefits, you definitely look it up because it's amazing. Some of them include, it helps to replenish cell stem damage. It boosts hair strength because of all the protein and is rebuilding your body with the collagen. It helps with your digestive system. It improves your digestive system and your your digestive tract. It helps with all of that stuff, and that is beneficial for your hair because once your body is properly digesting all of your food and everything is going down correctly, then all of the right nutrients will go up to your scalp to help to promote hair growth. The high content of the amino acids in here help to replenish the hormonal imbalance that a lot of us go through. A lot of us don't realize, why we get sick so often, why we have so many aches and pains is mainly because of our body is imbalanced when it comes to our hormones. And once we start to get our hormones back in track and our hormones start to balance out, it helps with our hair because, again, good juices are pumping all the way up. Like, you need to try it. Okay. So how do you use it? What I'll do really quickly is let me just quickly read what this one says. So the one I have is the NeoCell Super Collagen. It aids in collagen formation. It's an essential amino acid, and this one is 6,600 mg of collagen, so that's really good. So collagen is a complex structural protein that maintains strength and flexibility throughout the body. This Super Collagen brand is made up of collagen peptides type 1 and 3, which support collagen formation, helps to reduce any joint pain, and provides essential amino acids needed for replenishment of your nails, replenishment of clear skin, and replenishment of strong hair follicles. Again, look into it. So how do you use it, guys? So basically what you do is you take it and you dissolve it in some water or juice. Typically you can take it in the morning on an empty stomach is what they say, but I like to take mine with vitamin C. The benefits of it show better when it's taken with orange juice or vitamin C. So I don't take it in the morning, mainly because the vitamin C you're not supposed to take on an empty stomach. You're supposed to take it with food. So I take the two of them together, which means I take it when I have food as opposed to taking it right in the morning. If you're just going to take the collagen with just like water, you can take it as early in the morning on an empty stomach. So basically what you need is you need the collagen, you need 1 pack of these emergency vitamin C's. This is 1000 mg of vitamin C. You need your glass, of course, and then you also need some water. I like to drink my alkaline water, so I'm just gonna pour this in here. Hold please. So what I like to do is I fill up my glass with water. I pour the vitamin C emergency packet in there and I stir it. Stir, stir, stir. Don't fall in the sunken place now. You just stir, stir, stir. And the recommended dosage for the collagen, it states here that adults should take 1 scoop daily in an 8 ounce of your favorite drink or water. Comes with the scoop. So I'm just going to take 1 scoop of that. Your vitamin C. Pour the 1 scoop and you stir it. It doesn't taste like anything whatsoever. So whatever you put it in, whether it's water, whether it's juice or your favorite drink, it doesn't taste like anything. So I haven't noticed any taste. Some people might say that it tastes like something. I haven't noticed that it tastes like anything. The good thing to do is to mix it up so that you get rid of all the chunks. We gonna close this because we ain't trying to spill nothing around here. And bottoms up. And that's it. That's it, guys. It's just as simple as that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a small moment out of your day to go ahead and drink some collagen. If you don't care about your hair growing, if you don't care about getting long Rapunzel hair, and you just want to feel better, you want to have more energy, you want to have less aches and pains, or if you work out a lot and you want to get rid of some of that after workout burn, take collagen. It helps, guys. Do your research. Maybe speak with your doctor if you have any existing conditions and you want to just make sure that's something good for you to take. Speak to your doctor first. I'm not a professional. I'm just sharing with you guys what I've been using and what's been helpful for me and things that I find that have been super helpful. So these things definitely have been making my hair thicker, and I definitely later on I'm going to come and I'm going to show you guys what my hair is looking like now. I'm hitting my 3-year mark of my last big chop, so little Fola is going to come out to play, and we're going to show you what she looks like and show some pictures from before. If you haven't already, I actually have a video of my hair journey because I've been natural for about 8 or 9 years now. I just had my 5th or 4th big chop. I can't remember what number it is. So I'll come and show you actual results. But for now, I'm just giving you guys some information and you can do with it what you please. But if I never tell you nothing, take this collagen, okay? Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Have you heard of collagen? Have you heard of taking collagen for hair growth? Leave me a comment down below and tell me all about your experience with collagen, if you've heard of it, if it's something that you're willing to try. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, guys. I really do appreciate it, and it does help me out. So like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Sometimes I won't. I feel good, sometimes I don't.